go? Oh, the W3. Damn. So here we are, thrashing. Nice.
At least get everybody out of here and go right down.
That actually looks nicer in person. Way nicer. Right here, this is the one. This is what you want to have. You want the Batmobile? Oh, it's a W3 one, yeah. Yeah. Woo. Look at this. That's that one's nice. Yeah, this one's nice. I like the paint on it. Huh? The paint job.
I like this one.
The Two-Face one. Yeah.
This is his like
baby. Yeah, good job on this one. The polished exhaust. That's what I'm thinking of. We need your help, Lance. Come on now. We need one. Thrashing. Oh yeah. Well, you gotta buy. You want to buy your ticket, your Raffle ticket?
Is it extra large?
Oh, so they are women.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's short food.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they got the green one.
Yeah, sorry guys. There's a line. We don't want to. No,
that's fine.
Okay,
Cool. Yeah. I'll figure something out.
All right, man.
That one's not good. How you doing?
Good.
I do have the 20 to buy it.
Yeah, maybe we'll buy it out there.
Out there?
Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, no way. I didn't even know they had that.
Yeah, you gotta go back out around.
Let me see.
Sorry.
All good.
Yeah, I just got here.
These are the mid bins.
Yeah.
The what do you call it? Just mid bin, right?
Mid bin.
These are mid bin straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aggressive.
Aggressive.
Yeah, they're real aggressive.
Yeah, I'm
They're
looking
that
at it right
stunt
now.
style.
Yeah.
Like even sitting on the bike, it feels like the bars are like backwards.
Yeah, actually, yeah. That's nice.
That's what I run. I run a 9.5 in a mid bend, and it's so.
Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Woo. Nice. Yeah. I'd like to rip that bike.
Which one?
That one.
Oh.
You know that thing hauls that. Making their vlogs.
20, 40, 60.
Nice. I mean, come on, do you really believe this? Come on.